Prototyping. The prototyping approach extends the use of such requirements, prototypes, such that they evolve to a point where they actually become the final solution, or they become sufficiently detailed that they can be used to present the concept for full-scale development. Furthermore, concept prototypes, as they are accurate simulations of the final system, become an essential part of the requirements for the new system. The diagram describes the phases occurring when a prototype evolves into the final solution. Notice the loop containing designing, testing, evaluating, and understanding the problem. Each iteration through this loop produces an enhanced prototype that meets more of the system's requirements. Indeed, new or modified system requirements are determined during each understanding the problem phase. After many iterations, the prototype reaches a stage where the problem is sufficiently well understood, which means it successfully meets its requirements and is now ready for implementation. Prototyping acknowledges that many system requirements cannot be determined precisely until development is underway. During each understanding the problem phases, users, participants, and other stakeholders are able to view the prototype and suggest modifications and additions. Therefore, as the prototype evolves, so too does the system's requirements. Clearly, this is an enormous advantage in terms of the systems meeting the needs of those for whom it is designed. However, it can also lead to blowouts in the scope of projects. Users will think of new functionalities as they view a working prototype that they would not initially have considered. Project management techniques are required to ensure such issues do not cripple the project. In particular, management strategies are needed to ensure the project remains within budget and time constraints. It is often wise to prioritise requirements such that necessary requirements are met prior to these critical requirements. If time and/or money run low, then the system can still be implemented that meets all necessary requirements. The prototyping approach is particularly well suited to the development of the software components of information systems. Ongoing feedback from users and participants can be incorporated into the solution or the concept prototype during each iteration. If the prototype will evolve into the final solution, then the tools used to design and create the software must be able to accommodate on-the-fly changes and must also be appropriate for final implementation. For large and/or critical systems, the performance, reliability, and quality requirements mean that it is often not possible. However, for smaller, less critical systems, rapid application development (RAD) tools such as visual programming environments or even customized versions of standard applications are quite able to produce software to sufficiently quality and performance.
Created using Powtoon.